lunch at last. An easier meal to be found in the bigger, juicier, giant mole rat. Living alone, these unusual-looking rodents rarely stray far from the safety of their burrow. Some try digging around, which isn't always successful. Grass rats make a tasty meal, but they live in a colony and are hyper-vigilant. These wolves are thought to descend from an ancestor similar to the grey wolf that arrived in Africa from Eurasia 100,000 years ago.
Perhaps her luck is returning.
Tibetan fox lives exclusively on these harsh, high-altitude plateaus. These hardy relatives of the rabbit make up 95% of her diet. But highly alert to danger, they're no easy catch.
The mastiffs outweigh even the biggest snow leopard. She's also outnumbered, so she retreats.
Jackals rely on speed and agility. Every day, flocks of ring-necked doves, sparrows, quelea and sandgrouse come to drink. But these jackals are fast. One dove lags behind. It's the breeding season, and they're distracted by the competition to find a mate. A hard-earned prize. But this meal will be shared. These jackals are part of a